All the others are a test of your endurance.
And how's it going, guys? Josh Olufemii here, and welcome to Season 1, Episode 3 of 3 Editors, Same Footage. Today, Zac, Justice, and Diana are going to take this boring footage and hopefully bring it to life. If you'd like to take part in a future episode, then add me on Instagram, made by Olufemii, and then DM me a really cool 20-second edit. I gave my 3 editors 24 hours to create something really dope out of these 6 clips. Here's clip number 1, clip number 2, clip number 3, clip number 4, clip number 5, and clip number 6. All right, let's get into it. First up is Zac.
What's up, guys? My name is Zac Zlatic. I run Double Z Productions with my wife Kelly out here in Austin, Texas. We make videos for brands, athletes, and artists. I'm gonna take you through my edit for the challenge using Premiere Pro and a little bit of After Effects.
I'm so excited to watch these. I actually have butterflies already.
Oh, that's a good fade. It looks like the movie Creed, kinda.
Let's go to title.
Oh, dude, no, the blinking? That's sick. And then drawing it out and zooming in. Oh, bro.
In theaters, never. Yeah, well, you never know. Like, let's never say never.
I kind of laughed, honestly, a little bit when trying to make a serious montage, so that gave me the idea to flip it a bit and kind of make a little parody trailer. So a lot of times I'm making promo videos for clients using, great transitions, overlays, speed ramps to fit that vibe. But for this challenge, going for a little bit of a cinematic trailer kind of has more of a refined feel, and the slow-mo footage kind of plays into that as well. I let music guide my edits a lot of the time, so first thing I did was find a song I liked and then kind of custom cut that to 30 seconds to build and fall a little bit, give some contrast in the drama. The dark green is my music track, couple cuts and layered to finish when I wanted it to under that 20 to 30 second time frame. So honestly, the first thing I put in the timeline was the ending. And I noticed in the original clip, the shot pans away from the defeated boxer up to the winner. And so I thought it could be cool to kind of fade it out, focusing on the downed boxer, really isolate him. It was surprisingly easy to cut him out, and now I had a separate video track of just the boxer himself. Once I had the base edit, the next thing I did was really build that soundscape to give it more energy. Just a couple sound effects that are eyes blinking, punches landing, and a couple of risers to kind of ramp in and sell the energy a little better. There's only a few other visual touches I added, a couple of keyframe zooms, minor speed ramping, opacity, masks, but otherwise I let the visuals speak for themselves and built the energy more with the audio.
Dude, that was good. With clips like that, it's pretty easy to kind of just, cut a general sequence, but making it different and making it unique. I really like the eye closing. I find some first person shots can be a little bit like meh, but adding that just really gives it kind of a unique vibe and a unique twist. But yeah, no, dude, that was really good, man. I really like that.
I got a very movie vibe to it, but that was maybe a Scott Pilgrim vs. the World type of movie edit where it was like super creative with transitions and background drops, stuff like that. So great work, Zac. Love that outro.
Zac, great work. Next up, we have Justice.
What's going on, guys? My name is Justice, and I'm a Canadian cinematographer based between Sydney, Australia, and London in the UK. Work-wise, I get to do a lot of music videos, I get to do a lot of tour and brand videos. I also get to do a lot of documentary work for some amazing humanitarian organizations like A21, Compassion, and Vision Rescue. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at justice_brooks_. I also have a filmmaking podcast called Just for Filmmakers, so feel free to check that out as well.
All right, let's get this going. Okay, some film burn. Ooh. Oh, damn, that retro vibe is sweet.
That music is so cool.
Justice, let me get this preset. I like this.
The film look and the song have me feeling some kind of way.
So when I first saw the footage, my first thought was, I kind of wanted to go down a Rocky Balboa type vibe, have a lot of sound design, have the crowd cheering, have, the high-pitched ringing when it gets hit. I kind of wanted to change it up a bit. So if you guys follow Colin Tilley, he's like a huge legend in the music video industry, and he recently did a video for Justin Bieber called Anyone. It's a boxing video, but it's more pushed by the music. There's a little bit of sound design, but I wouldn't say it's too overpowering, and I was like, you know, I like it. I'm gonna try to make it my own. So I hopped on the art list and I grabbed a track called Beautiful Catastrophe. And I threw it down first because I always want to do my audio before I do anything. From there, I started putting a lot of film modes down. So I like to play with blend modes. Right here, you know, you'll see this one's overlay, but sometimes I'll put this one to screen, and sometimes I'll even put them on top of each other because it gives you a really nice, gritty kind of look.
That shot of the red shorts boxer, what you did with it was so different than what I used for my own. So just these subtle nuances. For example, the way that the film effect matches the sound is like this perfect internal movement that like makes you feel it even more. You did so good in making that happen, Justice.
I really like how the transitions are smooth, even though they're technically like hard cuts. That film burn and the sound effect too really just kind of like pushes it through and makes it, there's a certain aesthetic to each of the transitions and cuts, the way that the film burn and the film roll and the audio smooth it out. I really like it. It's vibey.
For transitions, I like to put a film burn over it, but something else I like to do as well is I'll change the brightness and the contrast. So what I'll do is as the clip is finishing, I'll keyframe it and it'll go from normal, and then I'll make it really bright. And then on the second clip, what I'll do is I'll keyframe it and I'll make it really bright, and then I'll bring it back to normal. And when you put a film burn on top of that, some people do a frame ramp in there as well. It just gives you a really nice transition. And so when you take the overlay and the different transitions and stuff, I think it kind of makes it a really nice kind of thematic piece. And yeah, you know, like it all kind of matches. It gives it that nice, really orange film, grainy kind of vibe. Some of the overlay can feel a little bit intense, but at the end of the day, you know, it kind of works with the vibe.
Again, there wasn't a lot we could do with this. I think Justice did a really cool job in bringing a certain vibe to the edit that fit throughout, which was really cool.
Guys, we're going to pause for a short ad. So you're a Premiere Pro video editor, you gotta check out this transition pack that the team has made just for you. These transitions are meant to give your high-paced edits just a tad bit of extra oomph. They are easily tweakable. They play very light in your timeline, and they're just a ton of fun to mess around with. These 100 transitions require no installing, no plugins, and work perfectly in the latest edition of Premiere Pro. And check this out, with every purchase, I'll throw in the entire Olufemii Creative Pack absolutely for free. This includes 3 additional transition packs: the Box Lens Transition Pack, the Camera Snapping Effects Pack, and the Identity Transitions Pack. In addition to that, it also includes 3 of my Light Leaks packs. There's the Bloom Light Leaks Pack, the Light Opal Light Leaks Pack, and of course the Sea Glass Light Leaks Pack. The Olufemii Creative Pack is valued at over $119 alone, and again, you get it for free when you purchase the Track Matte Transitions Pack today. Every single pack that you're about to download comes with an unlimited license that allows you to use all the transitions and all the effects in as many videos as you want, forever. So what are you waiting for? It's time to take a leap, try these out, and tell me what you think. It's time to get back to the video. Justice, that was awesome. Next up, we have the amazing Diana.
Hi everyone, I'm Diana and I'm a video editor from Canada, Alberta. I've been video editing for over 6 years now, and I specialize in narrative, documentaries, advertisements, and anything really. I just love the process of video editing. This is actually my favorite type of video editing, and when I got asked to be a part of this, I was so excited.
All right, Diana, let's see what you got here. I actually went to film school with Diana and her sister, and I gotta say they are unbelievable editors.
Beyond the watch,
Paid Morgan Freeman to do this or what?
the gods will offer you chances.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Know them,
Sound on point.
take them. All the others are a test of your endurance,
This has Diana written all over it.
of how much you really want it.
That's a deal,
Oh, and then the frame rate.
That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Hey.
Dang. I'd watch that movie. First thing I noticed right off the bat was, well, 1, I got chills, but 2, the voiceover, money, sound design, money, really brings you into it. There's a lot going on, which is cool. Really took the footage from being slightly boring, straightforward, to definite hype. Sick.
I edited the footage from end to beginning because I know what the climax is, and with the limited amount of time and footage I have, I want to make sure that that's the most impactful part.
Right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal.
After I get the footage laid out, I go in and start building the sound effects. So anything I feel can really enhance this viewing experience, I'm dropping it in. Something I love about Epidemic Sound is that they provide the stems to their music. So I was able to separate moments of the vocals as well as the beat to bring forward what I needed.
Know them. Take them.
Found an audio bite of what I imagined would be something like a father figure. I placed this audio bite in to really carry the story I'm trying to tell along.
Beyond the watch. The gods will offer you chances.
So in this edit, I wanted to hear what he hears from his heartbeat to the audience. I started there and then I spent quite a bit of time mixing the music, the vocals, and all of the background noise. I'm going to end the edit with the same shot it opened with. So this was him walking into the fight, just visualizing what he's gonna do and how it's gonna go.
In 30 seconds, she's added a voiceover, she's added a track, and she's added a little bit of vocals as well. And I really like how with the transition, she's kind of taken, I don't know if it was a plugin or if she did it manually, but just taking like that little kind of the strip part of the clip and like overlaid it. But no, I really like that. That looks really good.
I love how all three are totally different. Same clips, of course. There's such different emotions evoked, even though it's only 30 seconds. Just from the pacing and the music, the creative choices made in the edit.
Good job, everyone. That was so much fun. Thank you again so much, Olufemii, for letting me be a part of this. And I can't wait to see the next episodes. This was awesome.
That was amazing. Everyone did an incredible job in this episode of 3 Editors, Same Footage. Please make sure to check out the last 2 episodes in the description below. Please make sure to like this video, guys, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And as always, remember to keep it chill.